Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming requirements. Focus enabled and at least one suitable image ready. Open Settings, tap Focus and select or create the focus profile you'll modify. Once done, make sure focus permissions allow customizing screens. This unlocks background switching. Meanwhile, pick an image with the right resolution. Lower quality will blur. If you plan different images per focus, name them clearly so you can find them fast when we assign them in the next step. Now you'll attach a background to the focus. Go into the focus profile and choose Home Screen or Lock Screen Customization. Tap Add or Customize, then pick the image you prepared and adjust crop, perspective, or blur so icons remain legible. Once you assign it, choose whether it applies to Home, Lock, or both. This controls when the background switches. Make sure to preview the active screen if icons clash with the image, tweak brightness, or move the subject in the crop. Finish by activating the focus to confirm the wallpaper swaps as expected. Toggle it manually or trigger its schedule. If the background doesn't change, check Schedule and Automation rules and verify focus has permission to modify screens. Make sure the image file isn't overly large. Compress if needed. If problems persist, restart your device and reapply the image. That clears cache and forces a sync. One key tip: disable conflicting automations or third-party wallpaper.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.